Oke guys, kembali dengan torong ulang Kaskado. Ini torong di pantai. Ada apa tadi? Kalisung. Kayak tau apas tuh. Penting dapat jalan. Nah, ini mulai torong petampa. Nai. Nonton YouTube keseruan di sini, oke? Guys.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me. I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I will be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even brighter. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. Tell me what you gonna do. Know that I want you. You know that I need. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. When you put me in the mood. Hey, that's what I like. That's what I like about you. 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 Together forever, forever for real. Close your eyes, we will forget what we know. Just jump in and let's go for a ride. All through the night, all through the day. Turn up the lights, show me the way. You are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room.
Oke guys, orang jalan-jalan dulu. Orang di mana?
Orang mau pergi.
Gue. Boleh DP pantai. Ini DP pantai, DP nama. Halo. Mari kita bayar mau masuk sini.
Ngapain dulu?
Aduh. Gue main sama siapa bahasa gitu.
Kami lupa. Lari. Oh ya.
Sen kan Ale?
Lebih main sampai sini kan lebih air.
Oke. Orang mau makan dulu. Orang singgah dulu. Orang mau makan.
Gimana harga?
Itu orang dulu masuk. Oke, orang masuk. Orang mau kesan. Tanya. Makan apa ya? Pisang goreng ah.
Bisa. Oke guys, orang makan dulu.
Orang makan dulu. Emang.
Lebih main segar kan.
Lama lagi pisang. Yang dulu anak. Wow.